Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make glutathione cream at home. Gather ingredients, sterilize tools, and clear a clean workspace before you begin. Measure compounds precisely, wear gloves, and work over sanitized surfaces to avoid contamination. Follow temperatures and mixing times exactly, and label your batch with date and concentration. Store in a cool, dark place and discard if appearance or smell changes to ensure safe topical use. Start by listing and preparing every ingredient and tool you will need, then arrange them within arm's reach. Weigh glutathione precisely, select a gentle carrier oil like squalane or jojoba, and choose an emulsifier suited for creams. Preheat water and oil phases separately to target temperatures and verify with a thermometer. Keep a clean towel nearby, label containers for batch tracking, and prepare a small patch test sample to monitor product stability. Begin by heating oil and water phases to their required temperatures, then combine them gradually while blending to form an emulsion. Dissolve glutathione fully in the water phase to prevent clumping and preserve activity. Emulsify using an immersion blender in short bursts to avoid overheating, then cool the cream while continuing gentle mixing. Add preservative at the proper temperature, pour into sterilized containers, label with date and concentration, and allow to set before testing on skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.